Welcome to India's premier institute, Tyagarajar Polytechnic College, a temple of learning established in 1958 in the heart of Salem city. TPT is enveloped with lush green lawns, colorful flowers, more than 1,500 mature trees and birds nesting. The clean and green ambience of the campus is well maintained through an efficient solid waste management system. The organic manure produced from the in-house vermicomposting unit caters the nutrients demands of the campus and the society. TPT fulfill its water requirements through its well-designed rainwater harvesting system and wastewater treatment plant. The recycled water is used for irrigating the greenery in the campus. Energy saved is energy generated. Aptly, TPT saves 27% of its energy consumption by establishing solar power panels, using energy-efficient star-rated appliances, eco-friendly conveyances, and creating awareness among the stakeholders. TPT owes the pride in successfully implementing 75% of paperless office by integrating latest technologies like Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, cloud and big data analytics with proper security measures in academics, administration and library management. TPT is well equipped with the state-of-the-art infrastructure integrated with smart technologies to enable better functioning of the institution. The Eco Club is functioning in the campus since 1995 in order to instill the spirit of green consciousness among the stakeholders, winning the prestigious AICTE Chhatra Vishwakarma Award, Smart India Hackathon and International Mission Festival Award for E-Mobility stands testimony for promoting innovation in alignment with AICTE environment policy. TPT, with its rich culture and legacy over 64 years, promotes the Indian knowledge system through various activities and classes on traditional arts, behavioral science, values and ethics, yoga and meditation. Tyagarajar Polytechnic College continues its journey with technology-driven sustainable solutions to produce world-class technocrats who serve in making the world a better place to live in. Jai Hind.